Hello, and welcome to our guide for setting up ZAP for a web browser client. The first step is to go and find the ZAP project on Google Code and download the client for your appropriate operating system. For simplicity, we will assume that your client and proxy will be running on the same machine. Once ZAP is installed, launch it and click on Tools and then Options. Select Dynamic SSL Certificates and click Generate. This will create a new root CA certificate that we can use to intercept connections without getting browser warnings. Once you've created the certificate, save it somewhere you'll remember. Next, we need to import the certificate you just created into your browser. In Firefox, open up the Preferences menu and click on Advanced, then select the Certificates tab. Click on View Certificates, then Import and select the ZAP certificate you just generated. Select all of the checkboxes and then click OK. Now that the certificate has been imported, we'll need to set the browser up to use ZAP as a proxy. In the Preferences menu, again select Advanced and click on the Network tab. Click on Settings, then enable Manual Proxy Configuration. Make sure that the proxy is set to localhost and port 8080, and make sure Use this proxy server for all protocols is checked. Next, go back to ZAP and open up the options. Make sure the local proxy settings are configured the same way that you set them up in Firefox. For those who don't know, localhost and the IP address 127.0.0.1 are equivalent and are used when a computer wants to connect back to itself. Now, go back to Firefox and browse to your favorite site. In ZAP, we can see that your site shows up in the sites list, and now you're up and intercepting traffic using ZATattack proxy.